Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabsian. I'm a graphic designer and today I want to show you how we can use Distort and Transform tool. Transform tool in Illustrator and Distort is very powerful tools in Illustrator, which we can use it in many aspects, such as typography or shapes or many things in logo design that they are very useful and we can use them. Here you can see that already I have made something here that you can have an idea what we are going to do today. First of all, open Illustrator and just now active the pen type 2 and write down some letter which you like. Maybe it can be very good logo at the end of the day. It can be very nice logo for you. I have made this logo for one of my friends and I hope that you like it and you are going to do it. Okay, active the type tool and write down some character, like I'm writing B and X, which I have made it, and make it a little bit bigger. You can make it, do it by this, but with the help of Shift, of course, that you can save the proportional of these text. I'm going to change the font. I want to something bold and strong character because I want to do some modification, and always is better to make this like here is 463.3 pixels. I'm going to make it 470. I'm having also always problem with these numbers. And now we are going, because we want to do some modification on this letter, so we have to expand it. What is expand? In the very simple way, when we want to do something on some graphic on something like this here, now is not live things. They are together. They are just editable as a type, not as a shape. We want to transform them as a shape, and we can do many things. We can distort them, we can transform them, we can color them, and we can give the effect to them. So for this matter, I'm going to object, expand, and here both are selected and make it okay. Here is very good to understand what we are going to do it. First of all, it's better to ungroup them because they have to be separate from each other. And this one, select direct selection tool, and shortcut is A. It is by itself selected. I want to work on this. And from here, I'm clicking and dragging because I want to just select this part. I wish that I made it good twice. And because I wanted to make a complete shape, and I don't want any hole in that. And it's better to change the fill to a stroke, and I'm going to increase. No, it didn't. Now it's a stroke, and I just increase a little bit. Oops. And here for X character also is better. Sometimes some fonts they are not joined together, and it should be one shape. For that matter, now it's one shape, but I want to show in case you are having some problem with character, you can know that what you should do, and select the shape builder. Just cross inside to make your shape in one. Unite them. And again, this should be just stroke, and it was 3. Yes, I can make it 3 as well. So here I want to give the effect. I'm going to effect menu, distort and transform is opening for me. If it is the first time that you're seeing transform effect in Illustrator, is better I'm giving number because I have experimented before. But for you, if it is one time, we are going to show that how we can use it. And because when you're getting familiar with this panel, it is very easily for you to understand it. Scale here, I'm going to change this value to 93 because it is better to check this preview to see what you are going to do it. And this also 93. Here maybe 4 or maybe more. You can highlight it here, and with the help of arrow key you can increase or decrease it. And the angle maybe 2 or 3. And copy, I'm going to make 20 copy. You can see here the effect of this shape. I'm going to show you if I don't do it like 93, what will happen. Just we are going to experiment together. Just see how it looks. It's going to change the horizontal shape of this shape which is inside that. I don't know how can I call it. But I'm going to, yes, I think 89 is better. Yeah, what do you think? Here also we are going to see if I increase or decrease it, how it will look. 91 is good, better. And move horizontal or vertical, it's going toward this side. Or here we can, with the help of arrow key, I'm doing this job. See how it is going. One is good. And this angle of rotation of these lines, you can see here how it will like a spiral. In somehow they are in some another work, maybe they can work very well, but here I think 4 is good for me. And here is also how many copy we want, and it's okay. Again, we are going to do same process for this effect, distort and transform. And here also we are going to check if they work for that. 93, 14, 4 copies, 20. We can see here is not working. Then we are going to decrease the amount of, I think that smooth should be, yes, little bit down. Maybe yes, -1 is okay. We are going to see how they are behaving. You can see how it, see, we don't want it. In some cases they are working very well, but here no. depend of which shape you are looking for. That we are going to change the angle. You can see how it is going to behave. We can go also to minus. I think -2 is better, and 20 copies, and hit OK. It's very good to see that how they are, because we have to set them in portion. I'm going to activate a ruler here with the help of Control R. I'm bringing to the top of the D. One in the down. Now I'm going to fix it here because I'm thinking that X is looking bigger than there here. Yeah, I'm going to select both and increase the line to 4. We are going to see, and we can come back again. I'm going to edit. I have to select it. Edit, copy, and I'm going to Photoshop. We are going to have like this effect here. Before pasting here, it's better to, I want to bring my pattern here. I have downloaded this from unsplash.com. I'm making some link in description, and you can go and download from there. Is a free asset there. Hit OK, and I think it's better to is for me because I want to show the something great here. For that, I'm going to bring some hue and saturation. I'm making this a little bit darker. It's OK. I'm hitting OK, and here edit and paste. Paste as a smart object. Now our logo type is here and is copied here, is in center align. Then I'm going to bring again another texture, which last week I made a video for this texture. How we can do a metallic foil gold effect, and I'm using this today to show how we can use our assets in our logo design. And if you want to learn about it, how we can make this, you can go and see this tutorial on my channel, and I'm leaving the link below in description. I'm going to place and embed, and I'm using here this one. You can see this effect we have made last week together, and you can even do it for yourself and use in many of your projects. And here I'm going to hit this layer and making clipping mask, and now you can see very nice and very good effect from this side in Illustrator. It's a combination of the Illustrator and Photoshop. We made some logo letter here. We can say it's logo letter. How we made it, we just expanded and made some distort and transform it, and we copy it. We came here, we had some here some texture we have brought from Unsplash, and this one which I have made by myself last week, and the tutorial is available. And now you can see the result of these all works, how they are looking. They are so nice, and according to me is my favorite color, golden. So I think that it can be helpful for you. I wish this technique help you to increase your design power, and you are going to use it in many of your projects. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like the video and share it with your friend, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button whenever the new tutorial is coming, and you are going to be informed and you are going to watch it. Thank you so much for your support, and see you in next time. Bye.